In the heart of Dallas, life moves at a fast pace. Juggling work, family, and social commitments can be overwhelming, leaving little time for the things that matter most, like maintaining a clean and healthy home. Introducing Limpiar.online, the on-demand cleaning service that makes it easy to reclaim your time and your home. With our convenient app and experienced cleaners, you can enjoy a clean and stress-free living space without sacrificing your precious time. Housework can be a never-ending battle, especially when life gets hectic. Between work, family, and personal commitments, it's easy to feel like you're constantly playing catch-up. Neglecting your home's cleanliness can take a toll on your well-being. Dust and clutter can trigger allergies and respiratory problems, while a messy environment can contribute to stress and anxiety. Limpiar is here to revolutionize the way you approach house cleaning. Our on-demand service offers a variety of cleaning options to suit your needs, from standard cleaning to deep cleaning and move-in/out cleaning. Experience the benefits of using Limpiar.online. Say goodbye to the stress and overwhelm of housework and hello to a clean and organized home. Visit our website or download our app today to schedule your first cleaning with Limpiar.online.